To Discipuli, I'm going to give you a how-to guide for each new material day, so that way if you have any questions, you should be good. But if any questions do come up, certainly you can email me and or go to the chat room after reading watching this video and going through the instructions. So here we are, new material day number 1. You should have already gone through the review weeks, reviewing vocab, noun endings, verb formation, and now we're going to get back into chapter 11. Oh, it's been a while. So what you're going to do is review the genitive case notes below. I've included those here. You already have copies of them, but if not, here's the copies I gave you in class of the notes. Compare your chapter 11 translation lines 1 through 14. That's what we did in school. We just have not gone over it yet. Here's the chapter 11 textbook uh, work if you need it. Also, here's the chapter 11 translation key. If some of you did not do the chapter 11 textbook translation for whatever reason, you can go and use the vocab down here to help you out with it. And so then after you compare, you can compare the translation, you can watch the video of threshing wheat, and then number 4, identifying the genitive noun forms from the translation using the Google Doc below. And so you go to the Google Doc, and so what you're going to do is you can use your chapter 11 translation for help, both English and Latin, and also the genitive notes. You're going to identify the noun phrase that contains the genitive case and underline the genitive noun. So for example, you didn't have to translate chapter or line 17, so I gave you an example from that from the translation. So line 17, you'll see the phrase Portam Wheeli, which means the gate of the country house, or the country houses, '(s) gate. Now, because this is the gate of the country house, that's going to be description, because country houses can't own gates. The difference between description and possession is that someone, a person, owns something. The horse of the boy, the glasses of the student. Whereas the light of the room can't own the light, can't possess it. So description is for basically not inanimate objects, or objects that aren't alive, I guess, as opposed to possession is someone. It's a person who owns something. So that will help you with the identification of description versus possession. So you're going to label the number of the noun phrase, the line number. You're going to translate the noun phrase and then underline the use of the genitive, which I've done down below. Okay, and so you'll notice there are 7 blanks here. The first one is the example, and you should be able to find 6 other noun phrases that have a genitive in the translation. When in doubt, look for the magical word of, and that will help you out. All right, I hope this helps you out for day 1. Good luck, and contact me if you have questions. Bye-bye.